Hello everyone, in this video I am going to give you the answer for the case study question which has come in the grade 10 improvement exam, and the exam was conducted on 15th of May. So this is question number 36 for case study. First question. The question is, a road roller, often called a roller compactor or just a roller, is an engineering vehicle used to compact soil, gravel, concrete or asphalt in the construction of roads and foundations. Similar machines are also used in landfills or agriculture. Past records of a road roller manufacturing company show that the number of products produced each year forms an arithmetic progression. The company produced 270 road rollers in the fourth year and 510 in the 10th year. Based on the information given above, answer the following question. So the first question is, what was the company's production in the first year? So let's solve the first part. So here, if you see the information which is given in the question is, in the fourth year, the number of road roller produced is 270. Okay, so if I assume my first term as A and the common difference as D, so fourth year means A4 is given as 270, right? A4 means A plus 3D is equal to 270, right? Next, what it is given? A10 is given as 510, which I can write as A plus 9D is equal to 510. Now let me mark this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now let's subtract it. So A plus 9D is equal to 510 and A plus 3D is equal to 270. So if I subtract here, I will get 9 minus 3, 6D, and this is A minus A is 0, and from here you will get 240. So the common difference is 240 divided by 6, which will give you the value as 40. But what you have to find? The company's production in the first year, means you have to find the value of A. So let's substitute this D value in equation 2. So it will be A plus 3 into 40 is equal to 270. So A will be 270 minus 120. So if you subtract, you will get the value of A as 150. So the first answer is 150. Now let's do the second part. Now the second part of the question is, what was the company's production in the 8th year? Means you have to find the value of A8. Okay, 8th term. So A8 will be A plus 7D. And in the previous question only we have got the value of A as 150 and the D value was 40. So 150 plus 7 into 40. So 150 plus 280. And from here you will get the answer as 430. So this was the second part. Now the third part was, what was the company's total production of the first 6 years? Means you have to find the sum. S6 you have to find. So the formula for Sn is n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, now here you have to substitute n as 6. So it will be 6 by 2, 2a plus 6 minus 1d. Okay, now 6 divided by 2 is 3, 2a plus 5d. Now we already have a and d value, so let's substitute it. So 2 into 150 plus 5 into 40. So from here we will get 3 times 300 plus 200. So 3 into 500. So the answer will be 1500. Okay, so the company's total production was 1500. Now the last part is, find the ratio of second year's production to the 8th year's production. Okay, so here you have to find the ratio of A2 by A8. Now your A2 means second term, A plus D. A8 means 7th term, A plus 7D. Okay, so your A is 150, D is 40 by A plus 7D. 8th term we have already found. We got the answer as 430. Right, so 150 plus 40, when you will do, you will get here 190 divided by 430. So 0 and 0 can cancel. So your answer is 19 by 43. So here question 36, all the case study parts I have done here for question 36.